Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review and demo about these crystal solar globes that I got yesterday from Amazon. I've been looking for solar lights, hanging solar lights for a while now. I want to put them on my gazebo. We have an area here in the backyard that gets sun all day long. So I found these on Amazon and I thought they were perfect for what I needed. As you can see here, I got the 2-pack, which is a total of 36 feet long. These are the solar panels. You can see they are almost the size of my hand, a little bit smaller. I don't know for how long these are going to last. I am gonna test this out and show you in the end of the video for how long they were able to last through the night. They also give you these stakes that you can attach to the light if you want to put them on the floor, but we're gonna be hanging them on top of my gazebo, so we don't need those. I'm gonna give you a close-up so you can see these crystal globes. These are solid glass. It's like a little solid ball. It has a little bit of weight to it. Quality looks really good so far. These lights have 8 different modes that you can choose from, which is nice. Right here you have the turn on and off button and the mode button as well. Alright, so I finished installing these on my gazebo. As you can see, the solar panels are all the way up there and the sun usually hits this way right here, so I know they're gonna get enough sun. So I'm gonna come back later and see how these are gonna perform. All right, it's night here. It's about 8 p.m. now, and you can see how these look like during the night. I love them. These little crystal balls look so good, and they are very tiny. I didn't want anything super big or super bright, so for me this is the perfect brightness. All right, now I am gonna come back a few hours later to see how long they last. Like I said, right now it's 8 p.m. I'll try to come back at around 11 p.m. and see if they're still on. All right, so it's almost midnight. These lights have been on and they are still very bright. I feel like they're gonna be on for a few more hours, which is great. Love that I found these on Amazon. Highly recommend them. Like I said before, these look great.